What's up guys, it's Steve with Tech. Today we are going to talk about the Nokia 3.4 and we're going to unbox this phone right now, right in front of you. So let's just unbox this thing. There we go. This is the seal. So on the front side we have the Nokia and then we have the warranty card. Take it inside and then we have some features written over here like we have 13 megapixel camera with 2 megapixel depth camera and 5 megapixel ultra wide camera with 8 megapixel front camera with portrait night mode, 2-day battery life, 4000 mAh and type C charging, Qualcomm Snapdragon, and then we have 6.39 HD widescreen with full inner display. That's all. This is having a triple camera setup, and then for additional accessories you can go for the Nokia.com. And this is inside the box. We have on the front side we have first of all the phone itself. This is the phone. Just take this side, and then we get this as a SIM card ejection tool. Okay, and then some paperwork as the required thing by every phone, and then we have the free silicone case. It's a transparent white silicone case. Okay, it's a really a good quality, and it's, you can check this out like this right now. Okay, let's just take it aside too. Yeah, and else we get inside this box is a type C cable, a normal type C cable. Okay, fast charger. It's a regular fast charger, not too much fast charger, just a regular. And then the earphones, a cheap quality earphones, as Nokia do with every phone. Let's just see. Keep this thing aside, and okay. Let's just unbox our. Let's just boot our phone by. That's just the case. This is the back panel. This is plastic body with Nokia branding over here, and the fingerprint sensor. The location of fingerprint sensor is really good, and then we have this triple camera setup over here. You know, the primary and the ultra wide and the depth sensor. Okay, and then on the front side we have this what you can say, a sticker and something written on it. Let's just peel it off. There we go. This is it, and then this is the console camera right on the top left corner of the phone, and then we have the speakers. Yes. On the top side we have the what you can say, this is the headphone jack and the mic, and then on the down we have the speaker grills which can be easily muffled up. I don't know it's the what you can say, that dual speaker setup or not, like in the front grills can be also be used as a speaker or not, but this is if this is the only speaker you can easily muffle it up. And then we have another mic, and then we have the type C port. On the right side you have the Google button, and then SIM card ejection tool, and then we have on the right side we have the power button and the volume rockers. Okay, let's just okay, I have just booted it up, and now it's asking me about the language, and let's just set this up. There we go. Skipping the setup offline. Continue. Yeah, it's not Friday after work. I think it's about the release date right now. What's going on? It's 6 May, I believe. Time, I don't know. This is the first boot of Nokia 3.4, and this is the like stock Android and a true stock Android touch, and this is what you get on the top screen. Same as Android phones, you get night light, and then we have what the truly a stock Android. Okay, everything same as the stock Android. So this is having no other bloatware apps other than Nokia. This is Nokia's legal information. Oh, that's all. Okay, here we go. It's about 64 gigs, and out from 64 we are getting 23% used, which means 14.5 GB is used, and then we have a lot of space we are getting. Okay, let's just take the SIM card so just we can see what's with the SIM card. Okay. This is the SIM card. Oh, it's an easy pick one. It's a dual SIM, not the like hybrid one. You can use two SIMs at the same time with a micro SD card. It's a relatively comparative a good edge, and then we are gonna put this thing aside too. Open it up. This is what you get. Okay, battery 64% right from the box, and then we get this is the camera. Oh, this is the wide and okay, wide camera, and not of good quality as camera keeps stopping. Okay, close app, and this is having a portrait mode right also. I don't know why cameras keep crashing right now in front of me. Might be an update required for this thing. So I'll update it later on, and I'll be showing you the other features after an update and after the proper setup of this 3.4. If you have any question regarding this phone, you can hit the comment section and you can ask me freely. That's all for today. If you like this video, go subscribe my channel, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks guys.